different looking.
Yeah. I picked it out, I was like, whoa.
I like that we're doing dark, but this shit should blend in.
Welcome back to Wood Ass Wheels.
Wood Ass Wheels, welcome back. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Nathan.
Today we're starting Chapter 4, Volume 1. And what we are starting on today is a pantry cabinet for laundry storage and laundry soap, whatever you want to put in there.
Okay.
Utility cabinet. Apparently we're going to have some drawers, some adjustable shelves,
Yep.
and
It's gonna be 19 inches deep.
it's going to be 16 inches deep,
Just kidding, 16 inches deep.
74 inches tall, 38 inches wide.
Man,
It's going to be a big boy.
you're freaking stone cold.
What we're going to do right now, we've got our 3/4 inch two-sided sandable stainable material here, and we're going to go ahead and make 3 15 7/8 strips. We're going to make 6 actually, because we've got 2 sheets to use for this. So we're going to start by ripping everything to its proper width, and then we're going to come back later and do some cross-cutting to size.
At 15 and 7/8.
Yes.
Perfect. Rock and roll.
About 0 waste.
Yeah. So that's the size in the middle.
Yeah. And still got them all.
Yeah.
Anyways, so we've made 6 rips at 15 and 7/8. Couldn't make them 16 because we'd lose a little bit for kerf. Can't do that. For those of you who don't know, kerf is the material you lose when you use saw blade.
The width of the saw blade.
Yes. Well, now we're going to go ahead and cut 2 of these down to our height dimensions. And
We've decided, what on height? 74, 76?
we're going to go 76.
76 inches high.
76 high, and that leaves us 20 inches left at one end, which would be usable for a shelf or part of a drawer box. But it's never a bad idea to
Use a wood ass wheel.
Yes, we can make a wood ass wheel.
Yeah.
It's always good to, if you're making your own project, think about where you can maximize your cutoffs, so you're not wasting but yet reusing your material.
Right.
So we're going to go ahead and make some cuts down to length. Oh, you're on crack.
Well, I would recommend not using a table saw on crack.
We should recommend not using crack at all.
Dude, I recommend not using crack at all. Here, when it comes to driving a car on mushrooms, bro,
Don't do it.
no. Don't do it. That's what it is. I love riding scooters, man.
is only a one-time use.
Yeah.
I've used this saw a bunch of times.
Yes, yes.
We're now going to head and cross, cut, and make our tops and bottoms for the cabinet. Then we're going to do a little sanding, a little pre-assembly, and that'll yield the next dimensions of boards we need to cut. So right now, went ahead and marked this thing at what we determined, 35 inches. And 35 inches right here, we're going to go ahead and make 2 of these, and that will be our tops and bottoms.